Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your digital identity with Okta, full guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your digital identity with Okta, navigate to the Okta login page. Enter your email address associated with your Okta account in the provided field. Next, click on the Next button to continue. You will now see a prompt to enter your password. Type in your password and select Sign In. If you have enabled multi-factor authentication, you will be prompted to verify your identity through an additional method. Choose your preferred verification method from the options presented, such as SMS, email, or an authenticator app. If you select SMS, check your phone for a verification code sent by Okta. Enter that code in the designated field on the login page. If you choose email, find the email from Okta and copy the verification code provided. Paste it back into the appropriate field. For authenticator apps, open the app and retrieve the current verification code. Type the code in the required area and proceed. Once your identity is verified, you will gain access to your Okta dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Identity Verification section to complete any additional required steps. Follow the prompts to provide necessary identity verification information. This may include uploading identification documents or confirming personal details. After submitting your information, wait for Okta to process your identity verification request. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your verification. Once verified, you can confidently access your accounts linked through Okta. If you encounter any issues during this process, consult the Okta support page for helpful resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step